Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Braun Spin Juicer, and it does say it's from the Identity Collection. Now I'm going to be unboxing it, as well as I'm just going to briefly test it out to see how well it can juice. Stay tuned.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
Yes, so guys, I just wanted something just simple, that's not too big, that's not too hectic, that I can just quickly use, wash and put away. Sometimes you see these things and they look all good and stuff, but in reality they're just not practical. So I thought, I saw this and I thought, it's not too big, it's a good size. Let me see what can happen from here. So it's just your basic juicer that comes with its little gadgets. That's a little brush. That's a good brush actually, because when you get the bits in the juicing, the bit that spins the fruit or the veg, that brush, it really gets into the nibbits and the crannies and the nooks and the crannies and so it's a good brush. And it's just your basic stuff in there really. So you just got the juicer itself, all its attachments, and just the jug. If you're new to my channel, guys, thank you for coming. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, hit that subscribe button right now and join the family. We do some recipes over here, and if there's any recipe that you would like to see me make, drop it down in the comment section, and I'll add it to my list, because I got a long list. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. You guys rock. You guys are awesome. Always watching, always commenting. I really appreciate it. So this is just your information booklet. Didn't really go into much details. It's not really much in there because it does look a lot, but it's in various languages, so hence it's just showing you the parts and what they actually do. Now the jug that the juice drops in, it does come in mil, and it also has cup on the side, if you can actually see that properly. And it does, I was quite surprised with this jug. I was like, oh, it holds a lot. And what I like about it, it's got a little lid, so you can just do your juicing, pop that lid on, and just pop that in the fridge, for a couple of days, and your juice will be ready. What I do like about this juicer as well, guys, you can just pop it into the dishwasher. Sometimes you just, but it's it's pretty straightforward, it's pretty easy to clean, quick wash under the sink and in the sink, and it's all good. But for those days when you're just like, oh my god, you just give it a good rinse and just pop it in the dishwasher. And as you can see, it's pretty straightforward to take it apart, and it's just the same to put it back together. Now this is the jug that catches the the bits, the fruit trash, whatever you call it. I don't know what to call it, but Jamaican people, where I go to the trash. So yeah, to catch the fruit trash. And it's a good size, so you don't have to think, oh god, I have to empty it as soon as I juice an apple or a carrot. No, it's quite big, so you can get through a lot. So what I've just done, I've just given it a quick rinse and just gonna test it out. Now I'm just gonna test it out by juicing some carrots. As you can see, I've got about 3 in there. Now because this juicer, it has 2 settings. It has a number 1 and a number 2. Now I did this on a number 1, and what I found with it was that there was still quite a lot of juice left in the trash. Like, I was like, oh, I thought it would have gotten it out a lot drier, but you know, it's still got out a lot. But I just thought, you know, it look like you have to go get your strainer and thing and just, you know, give it a good little squeeze out, you know, just to get that extra juice. Or, you know, you can do something. It may not be a bad thing, because then you can do something, you know, add it to your little gravy or your soups, or because there's still some kind of substance left in the trash. Now I thought it was because I did it on the number 1 setting, but you know, I did it again and I did it with a number 2 setting, and it was still the same thing. As you can see here, guys, that's a lot of juice that was left. But as I said, you know what, you can totally do something with it, you know, add it to some cakes or something, you know, just to spice up the little thing a little bit. And yeah, but as you can see coming up, I did it on another number 2 setting, and yeah, it was just still the same. So yeah. You know, whilst I was doing it on the number 2 setting, I just thought, you know what, why not make some, you know, just add a little bit more to it. But yeah, this is what comes out from the number 2 setting, and you know, it was still quite wet. So, but then again, this juicer, it only runs on about 800 watts, so maybe that's why. So if you're looking for something that's, you know, it's gonna probably juice a lot faster, or not faster, more powerful, you know, maybe try and get something with a higher wattage on it. But this is 800, so yeah. So I just went in and just juiced, you know, I thought, let me just make myself some juice because I weren't wasting it. So I just juiced some cucumbers and some ginger, and yeah, juice is looking a bit nice and ting. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed my reviewing of the Braun Juicer. Don't forget to hit that like button, and as usual, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.